Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to extract silica from rice husk ash. First, understand that rice husks are a plentiful agricultural byproduct, and they contain a significant amount of amorphous silica, often exceeding 85%. Extracting this silica not only creates a valuable product, but also helps manage agricultural waste. The overall process involves carefully controlled burning of the husks, followed by specific chemical treatments to isolate the silica. Let's dive into the initial steps. To begin, thoroughly wash your rice husks with distilled water to remove any dirt or metallic impurities. After washing, ensure the husks are completely dry. Next, burn the dried rice husks in a controlled environment, like a muffle furnace, at a temperature between 600 and 700 degrees Celsius for several hours. This controlled burning is crucial because it removes organic matter and produces rice husk ash, or raw, containing amorphous silica, which is more reactive than its crystalline form. Once you have the rice husk ash, the next step is alkaline extraction. Digest the ash by boiling it with a sodium hydroxide solution, typically a 1 molar concentration, for a few hours. This process converts the silica in the ash into soluble sodium silicate. After digestion, filter the solution to separate any undigested ash or impurities. Then, slowly add an acid, such as hydrochloric or sulfuric acid, to the clear sodium silicate solution until the pH reaches approximately 6 or 7. This acidification causes the pure silica to precipitate out as a white gel. After precipitation, purify the silica gel by washing it repeatedly with deionized water. This removes soluble salts, like sodium sulfate, ensuring high purity. Continue washing until the effluent water's conductivity indicates minimal impurities. Then, dry the purified silica gel in an oven at 90 to 120 degrees Celsius for several hours to obtain a fine, white amorphous silica powder. This high-purity silica has diverse applications, including as a reinforcing agent in rubber, a cleansing agent in cosmetics, and an effective adsorbent. For more valuable insights and resources, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.